Welcome to the KJ Somaiya Institute of Management. My name is Veena Barot and I am a professor in KJ Sim's MBA Sports Management program. This program is designed not just for students with a sporting background, but also for anyone with a keen interest in the management and business organization of the sporting industry.
The Somaiya Sports Academy provides top-notch affiliation and accreditation, excellent infrastructure, state-of-the-art facilities, and internationally certified coaches.
We have a very unique 3-act structure: learn, act, and strike, which prepares students to be very effective managers in the sporting industry. In the classroom, students learn the intricacies of management with the most up-to-date curriculum from seasoned professors and gain current insights from working professionals.
Being situated in Mumbai, our institute provides unparalleled opportunities for our students to strike on various internship and placement with the best of the sporting industry in various sectors such as sport marketing, operations, analytics, digital media marketing, merchandising, and broadcasting. So join us in the MBA Sports Management program to kickstart your career and turn your passion into your profession.